Good evening and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Josh Kenworthy.
We've got the latest sports scores for you here today, starting with Whack in last place with 35 points.
Next up is Slam with 40 points.
Followed by Grit with 44 points.
Hustle with 45 points.
And then we've got Rush with 48 points.
Ooh, and Adonis in the lead with 50 points.
Well done, Adonis.
Very good. Now, we decided the traffic helicopter was a bit of a health hazard, so we've got Caleb traveling around in the golf cart these days.
Pretty
Let's
safe,
go to,
right?
yeah, I would say so.
It's much better.
He can't mess this up.
No.
Let's go to Caleb with the traffic report.
So I'm here. I got demoted from the traffic helicopter to this thing. I believe it's called a golf cart, and I don't see much traffic. Just that the roads are terrible. Some deer up there. I guess they could come onto the road. Well, yeah, there's not much else. What was that? Cameron, every single time, what are you doing? Get up, come on, move. I'm trying to do the traffic report. Breaking news, there's been a hit and run accident here on Anvil Island.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, well, maybe if he was getting us our coffee instead of taking a bathroom break, then it wouldn't have happened.
I know, I mean, totally. Like, Cameron, you can't just walk out in the middle of the street like that and expect to be safe.
Seriously,
I mean,
did your parents not tell you to look both ways?
there are vulnerable drivers on the roads everywhere these days.
We're on Anvil Island.
Yeah.
There's a lot of Asians here.
Yeah, Cameron, I mean, seriously, you know, you gotta remember, Caleb is from Richmond, BC. Richmond, BC. It is your fault for not looking where you're going. Seriously, Cameron, if you ever want to be anything more than an intern, you gotta pick yourself up.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Thanks for watching the Anvil
News
Sports Update.
Hustle and a close... Okay, we're gonna redo that. Why did I mess that up? That was so dumb.
Okay.
I was like with a, oh, I don't know what to say.
Okay.
All right, well.
Oh. Okay, here we go. Deep breath.
It's so ridiculous of me.
You know it's Thursday when.
Okay.
Okay. We've got the latest sports scores here for you.
Why are we messing up on this?
To do this for 4 years, I don't know what's wrong. Okay.